Hmm. Mia has so many choices with all these ingredients, but she looks confused. I wonder why. I bet it's because she doesn't have a recipe telling her exactly what to do. But what if, instead of following an exact recipe, she got to mix flavors and ingredients in a way that followed some basic cooking rules while still creating something uniquely her own? Welcome, musicians! Did you know that composing music is kind of like making up your own recipe? Instead of following a recipe that's already been written, we have musical ingredients that we can combine in different ways to create something brand new. With the right ingredients, there are things we can do to make sure our compositions taste, sound really great. So, what are we waiting for? Let's cook up a musical masterpiece. Okay, maybe you can help me figure this out. What ingredients do you think we need to create a musical composition? Rhythm, for sure. If we start by choosing some rhythms, we'll know how many pitches we'll need. Oh, pitches. Yes, definitely. Having pitches to choose from is really helpful. Anyone know where we could get a set of pitches that are nicely organized? Maybe like 5 or so pitches that all sound great together. The pentatonic scale. Let's use pitches from the pentatonic scale. What else? We should have something to organize all of this information. A staff. That's a great place to write our rhythms and pitches so that we can read them, and other people can too. Okay, we've got our ingredients. Now what? Let's compose, step by step. How you use these ingredients will be up to you. Have your guided notes ready and compose along with me. Let's start with our first ingredient, rhythm. We know lots of different rhythms: eighth notes, quarter rests, half notes, and whole notes. In your guided notes, you'll find these boxes to write your rhythms. Each box needs 4 beats inside of it. You can mix these rhythms together as long as they add up to 4 beats for each box. I used a pattern for most of my boxes. This is what I came up with. Let's clap it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Ti 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 ta, ti 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 ta, ta ti 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 ta, ti 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 ta. I like it. And all of my boxes had 4 beats. You can use any mix of rhythms like 2 quarter notes and a half note. That adds up to 4 beats. Or 2 half notes, also 4 beats. You can use my example as an idea, but get creative. Please pause the video to work on your rhythm in your guided notes. Come back here when you're ready. Got your rhythms ready? Amazing! Let's add our second ingredient, pitch. Since we're using the pentatonic scale, what are our pitch choices? You got it. Do, re, mi, so, and la. Each note should have a solfege syllable written below it so we know what to sing. If you include a rest, write sh underneath it to show a beat of silence. Since my rhythm follows a pattern, I decided to use a pattern for my pitches too. Here's a big hint. I'm ending on do, the tonic, because it helps a melody sound complete. Please pause your video now to add your solfege choices under your rhythms. How'd you do? Do your guided notes look something like this? Amazing! The last ingredient in our composition is the staff. In your lesson materials, you'll see a staff divided into 4 measures, just like our 4 boxes. After the video, you can combine your first 2 ingredients, rhythm and pitch, into the 3rd ingredient, the staff, to complete your musical masterpiece. Any do will be here. The other pitches, re, mi, so, and la, belong in these spots on the staff. On your own, take the rhythm and solfege choices you made and carefully notate them in the correct spots on the staff. Each rhythm should be written on the staff on the line or in the space of the pitch you chose. Here's what my rhythm and pitches look like moved to the staff. And then comes the best part. We get to perform our compositions. First, sing along with me to my example. Mi, mi, re, re, do. Mi, mi, re, re, do. La, 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 so, so, so. Mi, mi, re, re, do. When you move your composition to the staff, try singing that too. Your piece may sound very different from mine, and that's a great thing because it means your music is unique. Incredible work today, musicians. When you're finished, I hope you'll share your composition with your family or friends. Maybe you'll be inspired to create even more pieces on your own. Whatever you do with your masterpiece, you should be very proud of all your hard work. Until next time!
Hey, hey.